Have you joined some gym? Is it?
No. I'm not Jam. I'm not.
Because that's the reason I asked you, because your body is very perfect. So that's the reason I asked you. Have you
Okay, okay.
joined some gym? Okay, yeah.
No, actually, my father is a farmer, and sometimes I have to help his work. And
Okay.
farmer is working hard, and their work is very wide, and
Yes,
that's
I
why.
yes,
Yes.
yes.
Where are you from?
I'm from Lucknow, capital of UP.
Capital of UP. Okay. So, how long have you been using this platform?
Yes, it's been like 8 months.
8 months. And are you YouTuber?
Yes, I have recently created my channel. Yes.
Okay. So, how many subscriber in your channel?
Yes, there may be around exact number I don't recall, but maybe around 300.
Okay, that's nice. So, ma'am, when did you start your spoken journey? Actually, I'm using this platform for practicing my speaking English, as well as I upload my activity on my YouTube channel.
Okay. So you asked me something, is it? Yeah.
I'm asking you something.
Yes. What you asked? I forgot.
When did you start your spoken English journey?
Okay. I started 8 months ago only. Yeah.
Okay, months
I
ago.
joined Skype. Yeah, I joined Skype, and it was the month of February last, almost last it was when I started for the first time.
Okay,
Yeah,
understand. So,
yeah.
what do you do for life?
What do I do?
What do you do for life for working?
No. I'm not working anywhere. I'm just a homemaker, and yeah, I have like I'm busy with my conversation daily. So I'm practicing. I'm doing only this. Yes.
Okay, I understand.
And
So,
what you do, like when did you join over here? Because I've not seen your name on this Skype actually.
okay. No, actually, I started my speaking English journey 45 days ago. After practicing 1 month, now I can able to speak a little bit of English.
Yeah, it happens with everybody. When somebody starts the journey, of spoken English. So that time nobody is good that time. But yeah, after a few months, everybody finds himself or herself on different level. Okay, when we start, nobody is that good. Yeah,
Okay, all right.
but
How many languages do you know?
yeah, I know Hindi. I speak. My mother tongue is Hindi. Hindi, yeah, English also, and a little bit of Marathi. Yeah, that's about it. Because we have stayed in Maharashtra. My
Okay.
schooling was done from Maharashtra, Mumbai.
Okay, understand. So in India, there are many languages available. And I'm from Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, the only language is Bangla, and our second language is English.
Okay, yeah. And like in your place, what is the main language the people speak over there?
Yeah, my main language is Bengali.
Okay, Bengali. Okay. This language is very, very sweet language actually.
Thank
And
you.
a
Ma'am.
little bit, before starting my English journey, I used to watch a lot of Bengali videos because I love this language and I wanted to develop my fluency in Bangla. A little bit I know, I can understand, and a little bit, not that much, but yeah, in a broken way, I can speak a little. So I was very fond of this language. So many times I tried with the YouTube. And but when I saw that the people speak they are practicing with their language on the Skype also. So immediately I left Bangla and I joined here. So yeah, I was trying to practice with this language, yeah. So I would say a little bit of two languages and good knowledge with English and Hindi.
Okay, understand. I understand Hindi very well, but I can't speak.
Okay, okay. You can. If I say आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम अमीनुल.
Okay,
आपका?
good. आप कहाँ रहते हैं?
मैं बांग्लादेश रहती ही
रहता हूँ. Yes.
हूँ. ओके.
Yeah, that's very nice. Okay.
इसमें
आपका
सम
लड़का
हिंदी.
कहाँ है? आप कभी इंडिया आए हैं?
मैं कभी नहीं इंडिया कभी नहीं
कभी नहीं आया हूँ।
कभी नहीं आया हूँ।
वेरी नाइस, वेरी
तो
नाइस।
आपका बांग्लादेश कभी
No,
है?
I have never been to Bangladesh. No.
ओके ओके।
Yeah, but there are YouTubers whom I'm friendly with. There are 2 or 3 persons from Bangladesh to whom I connect of India. You are the third one, I would say. Before you, your 2 persons are already, they have become friendly with me.
ओके ओके।
Yes.
So, ma'am, do you like traveling?
Do you?
Do you like traveling? Traveling?
Yes, traveling. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't like, I have traveled a lot, you know. I mean,
So,
actually, I have traveled a lot. So that's the reason now I don't feel like traveling anywhere.
so how
Because
many
my, yes,
country have you visited so far?
not any country. In India only, I have traveled a lot, but
Okay,
not
okay,
to other countries. Not to other. If I mention about other country, then I have been to Nepal. And Nepal, I don't feel like it's other country. I feel like it's very close to India. It's a like bordering country, so I don't feel like something new going to Nepal.
can
But
you know
abroad,
Bangladesh?
like,
Bangladesh is also very next to India.
sorry.
Bangladesh is also next to India.
Yeah, they're also next to India. If I happen to go sometime to Bangladesh, so even I won't feel something new because they are my neighbors. These both the countries are my neighbors. I want to go somewhere very far, you know, like US or UK. So that much far I want to visit.
Okay, so do you have any plan in future? You wanna go abroad, like US?
No, 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 not yet any planning. My son's job is that kind of a job they have. Like, yeah, once my son had been to US, but that time I did not go. But yeah, whenever he will go, I will accompany him definitely. So I
Okay,
may get chance to travel sometimes, but I am not, what to say. I not know when I will go there, but anytime I may. Yes.
okay, Anna. So, ma'am, how many kids do you have?
Okay. I have 2 sons. My sons are married, and they
Oh,
also have one daughter. Like both have one daughter each. Yes.
okay. Are you playing with your
Yes.
grand?
Yes. So much because they are not with me on Diwali festival. We had Diwali festival. So that time they were here with me in Lucknow. Yeah, that time we enjoyed a lot. But yeah, my grandchildren love me a lot. I'm so much attached with them. I'm very, and when they come here to my place, then I'm very much occupied with my children, with my
Okay.
grandchildren. Yes.
In our conversation, you told me you wanna go outside after our conversation. So can I know where will you go? Finishing our
Yeah,
conversation
yeah. Not that far. In my city only. In my city only. Actually, I'll be going to a railway station,
for
to
walking.
meet somebody. Yeah, to meet somebody.
Okay, okay,
They will be passing through my city, the train, so I will go and meet them at the station. Yeah.
okay, understand. Okay, okay,
And what
understand.
do you do? I mean, you tell me, what do you do? Like, you are a student?
Yeah, I'm a student of university. I'm a student of honors first year, and as well as I'm doing a job at a school. I joined a school 1 month ago.
Okay, one
I
month ago you joined school. Okay.
I teaching my student English subject class 6 to class 10.
Oh, that's good. Very nice. Okay, so you are teaching. Okay.
I'm teaching as well as learning this language.
Oh, very nice, very nice. Okay. So how you teach? You teach them online?
No, no, no. I teach offline.
Okay, you go to school.
I have to go to school for teaching.
Okay. And what are your subject? Only English or
No,
some
no.
other subject?
Sometimes I have to teach math subject also. When the teacher of math subject is absent, that time I have to teach math subject.
So you are from Bangladesh. So which city you come from?
My city name is Mymensingh. Have you heard the name
No,
Mymensingh?
I've heard only Dhaka, I know. I've heard
Dak-
only about Dhaka. I don't know
Dhaka is
much.
Dhaka is our capital city, and every man from abroad they just know about Dhaka city because it's our capital.
Yeah, I know that. It's a capital, yes. And
So,
you
ma'am,
have you been to other countries?
sorry,
Have you been to other countries?
no, I never been another country, and I have plan in future. I wanna go Pakistan, India, and many other country.
Yeah.
And actually, I'm interested in traveling. I really like.
Oh, I'm interested in traveling. Okay, that's good.
So,
So
ma'am,
I want to ask you one thing. So have you joined some gym? Is it?
no, I'm not jam.
Because
I'm not.
because no, because that's the reason I asked you because your body is very perfect. So that's the reason I asked you. Have you
Okay, okay.
joined some gym? Okay, yeah.
No, actually, my father is a farmer, and sometimes I have to help his work. And
Okay.
farmer is working hard, and their work is very wide, and
Yes,
that's
I
why.
yes, yes,
Yes.
yes. Okay. You go to school also. So what are your timings when you come back?
I have to go to school at ma'am. I am doing job to school. I have to go to school at 8 a.m. in the morning, and I have to stay there 2 hours, and I back my home 10 a.m. And 11:30 I have to go another school, and I back my home 3 p.m.